Hey everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla. I'm here to explain you something today. A great experience of learn Python zero to hero. How it is possible. Yes, it's really super easy techniques I'll share with you today. So till end you watch the video. So let me explain you how to start learning Python. Yes, all you have to go for python.org to get a free open source Python software, get it download and install in your computer system. It's absolutely free. Yes, and one more, an important IDE is a need to start learning Python. This is an IDE I suggest you strongly. PyCharm IDE, which is a community center edition, is absolutely free. Yes, if you are comfortable other than any of Anaconda or PyType or any other online, so many IDEs are also available in the industry. If you are interested and you want to start learning quickly from there, yes, you can start it. And when you are starting learning, all you have to do is initiating and writing a standards of variable declaration. Once it is completed successfully, the learning of a declaration of variable, what are variables, how to declare, how to write these things. Once you did it, then immediately you have to learn data types. There are numbers, strings, booleans, and there is a decimal points and the different data types, what are there. Why we require to use data types, all you have to know. Once you learn the things perfectly, the ranges and applying and all, once you have to switch into the statements. There is a space statements how to write. In a practical way, how you can prepare a statement your own way by writing and running the programs in Python. Once these things are done, you have to switch into if-else statements where you can build your own way decision-making systems. The conversation, how it is going on, how much the product price, will it be reachable or not. These are the decisions are going to be happen in if-else statements in programming language. Believe. And the same way, how the temperature ranges you have to define and let you know the result set. This is a possible way you can do it in using Python programming language in if-else statements only. The best way, easy. And the same way, the TV remote program. You can build it your own way. Which number if you press, which channel you want to display. The same way you have to build the way if-else statements will done these things. And come to the next step, you have to switch into the loop statements where huge data is there, huge number of records, then you have to make it how you are going to be iterating the loop statements. For loop, while loop, do while, for each, this all comes together. Loops like a loop statements which is a works with a single statement multiple times it going to be running and executing in your programming language. If you are having a student strength of a school 2000 number of students, will you prepare a 2000 statements? It's not possible. It's not right way to write the programming language. All you have to prepare loop statement to control the records one by one till the end of the record iterations. This is the smart way, the logical way. When you are learning and doing a practical experience by doing the coding, then only these things will be enabled and you will give a smart solution for your programs. Got it? At the same time, all you have to prepare projects. It might be a simple calculator program. It might be a temperature identification program, or it might be a device of IoT devices, how which is going to be interacting with the computer system. These are very essential for nowadays. And you may understand a robotics, how it is going to be moving, taking the steps forward, backward and all the way. These are the important things you have to remember yourself and write the logics. When you are practicing a simple way, then it will be enable you to think beyond that. And when you see and identifying a real world problem, you will try to enable and write a problem solving techniques and problem solutions by writing your program. This is all essential for learning and writing programming languages. So once you learn the basic fundamentals strongly, you have to move to advanced programming object-oriented programming techniques. How to create classes, how to initiating and writing objects, and making polymorphism, inheritance, what the parent and child relationship. These all are comes together for like a code reusing techniques. How smartly you are making and completing a real world projects in less time. What industries are saying? Industries are need as manpower or as sources who are doing a smart code, who are taking a less time to completing the projects, who are giving more solutions to the problems. Those very are essential for industry. So if you want to start learning Python for any of industry relevant like artificial intelligence, data science, and cyber security, and machine learning, robotics, RPA, data analytics, many more. Few are sharing, which is a trending. Many more are industries are ready to take you when you are learn Python. So start today and start initiating a footpath steps to your career. Strongly believe yourself and learn from scratch and zero. Don't be worried about if I don't know the prior language, will I be able to enable to learn these things? You will be. Even your non-background of coding, yes, you are full fit when you are focusing more and more for a particular concept of programming language. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you want more information, please take a comment. And if you are interested to learn more concepts, please do subscribe and share with your friends and groups who are need to know about something to learn Python. Thank you so much. We'll catch you in the next lecture.